911, state your emergency.
Hey, see the transfer.
Thank you. Hello?
Hi, I'm at Fort Washington Fitness. I'm just leaving there. There's someone driving around saying they're going to start shooting people.
Okay, you have a description of the vehicle or the person?
He was wearing a hood and just like a white wagon.
A white wagon?
Volkswagen, something like that.
Okay, any license plate info?
I didn't get a plate.
Okay, what color was the hoodie?
I couldn't see. It's dark.
Was it a dark hoodie or a light hoodie?
If I were to guess, dark.
Okay, and tell me what happened. What was the person doing?
Just driving around, and he was waving a gun out the window. It looked like he said he was gonna start shooting, and I just got out of there.
Okay, what kind of gun was it?
I couldn't tell you.
Was it a handgun, a long gun?
A handgun, I think.
Okay, was it dark?
I think so, yeah.
Okay. Okay, and then what race was he?
White, I believe.
Okay. Did he say it to anybody in particular, or was just kind of saying it openly?
Openly.
And what direction was he going?
He was just doing circles in the parking lot. I didn't know.
Okay. And how long ago did you see him?
A minute. I got out there as soon as I heard him talking.
Okay. And your name?
Friant?
Okay. What's your callback number?
Did you call the police about somebody with a gun?
Yeah.
Okay, hey, are you still at that location?
No, I walked away.
Is he still there?
As far as I knew when I left.
Okay, where can I meet you?
I'm already well away. Are you sure he's not still there?
I don't know, I'm driving over there right now. That's why I'm trying to see if he's there, but I want to meet with you to talk to you about what happened.
So I'm already on the way to Madera. I guess I can turn around. Oh, is there a place we can meet?
Yeah, I mean, you could come back to Fort Washington by the 41. Did you see a gun?
He was waving something. He said he was going to start shooting. That's the best description I saw. It was small.
You didn't see a gun, though?
My best description, I guess it was. I don't know.
You don't know if it was a gun? How far were you?
About maybe 50 feet or so. Like, he was just driving around yelling. He was looking right at me when I got out there.
Okay, what were you doing over there?
Just going out for a walk.
You were walking over there by Fort Washington?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Was he just yelling it out in particular, or was he trying to tell you, or what was? How did that happen?
I couldn't tell you. I was just in the area, and he drove by and said he was going to start shooting, and I just got out there.
Driver, put your hands up! Walk back over here with your hands up now! Put your hands up! Take your hands out of your pocket now! Hands out of your pocket! I'm going to shoot you! Take your hand out of your pocket. Take your hand out of the pocket. Seven 3 got shots fired. Suspect down. Shots fired. Hands up now. Put your hands up. Take your hands out of your pockets. Take your hands out of your pockets. Boy, I'm 14. He's walking towards us. Take your hand out of your pocket, dude. Shots fired. Shots fired. Shots fired. Shots fired.